Hello, happy Monday. Today is Monday the 31st. I know I was supposed to do a video of my update, but I'm very tired. My workout was very strenuous today. I ran the bleachers. And just to give you an example, when I'm with the bleachers, 1 rep is running down and then coming back. So basically, it's 5 sets of steps, 14 steps in each set of steps. So that means I run up 14 steps and then I walk back down and I go to the next set of steps. So it's 5 of them, and a whole set is running up all 5 of them, all 5 sets, and then coming back, running up, walking back down. So basically 10 sets of steps in 1 rep. So I did it 3.5 times. I tried to push it to 4, but I just couldn't make it. It was 101 degrees out there. I think the last time I ran the steps, I just did 2 sets of it, and so I really pushed it today. So my goal is to do 4 sets. So yeah, anywho, why is my flash off? For dinner, I have here a nice large salad with some butter lettuce, onion, tomato, egg, chopped up bacon, cucumber. Then I have some Keto Tex-Mex chili. It's basically a chili with no beans. I do have tomato paste in here, shallots, and I seasoned it with chili powder, paprika, sea salt, pepper, my allspice seasoning, and yeah, so it's basically the same mix that I had put in the omelet. And then I put 1 ounce of avocado on top, and this is cauliflower mash with a half a slice of bacon. The other half of the bacon I put in my salad, but it's a half a slice of chopped up bacon, garlic, shallots, sour cream, and this Kerrygold cheese that I use. That's pretty good, and it's just put it in the food processor and let it rip. And some butter, Kerrygold unsalted butter. Then I have here my yellow green squash. So I might go back later because I'm breaking my fast right now. It's 9:15. I'm just tired. I don't feel like all of that running back and forth. But if I'm still up and I'm still hungry, I'll just make me some of my bone broth mix right there. I also drank 2 cups of my herbal tea today. And I am going to show that. It's just when I'm making it. My phone is upstairs, so I will show it. But I drank 2 cups of my herbal tea, and one of them I had to put a sweet peppermint tea drop. And then I had my electrolyte powder when I went to work out. So this is basically what my macros is looking like right now. 45 protein, carb 30 on the head, fiber 9. Total calories 918 for the day. Is lower than I would like, but again, I'm tired. If I get hungry, I'll just make me some bone broth and sip on that and call it a night. So basically, this is it. I'll see y'all Tuesday. Peace. Hey, happy Tuesday. It's a good day. So I have a Whole Foods and Safeway haul. So I had to go pick up a few things. I needed more tomatoes, so I got these. This was from Safeway. The rest of this, except for the eggs, is from Whole Foods. I like these beans right here. They're very nice and tender. Don't leave like strings or anything when you bite it. So I really like these, so I went back and got the last 3 that they have. Evidently, other people really love them too, because the 365 brand was still sitting there, but it was only 3 left of these. And this is the second time I went hunting these down. And the store that I first came across them at, they were sold out and didn't have any more. But the Whole Foods brand is good too. I went and got more of this cheese because I like it. Another thing of butter. I saw that they sold this in the store, so I wanted to try this beef tallow to cook with. I got me some chips. These are grain-free. You got to pick and choose. It's another brand that I get as well from Sprouts that are really good as well. As good as it's going to get when it comes to tortillas. And then paleo and vegan. And then I got the pork rinds. I ate almost a whole bag on the way home of the cinnamon. Really good. I'll be wanting pancakes once in a blue moon, so I want to try this paleo one. The one for keto was absolutely disgusting. It's still sitting in my pantry. I got me some pistachios, got me some yogurt, got me some pears, got my grass-fed eggs, and these super greens that I found that they're frozen, that I found at Whole Foods as well. So I did get some other things from Whole Foods, like their summer corn that they have, and some potatoes, because I'm fixing a seafood bake for my kids tomorrow. But basically, I spent about $90 at Whole Foods, which I don't know why. Because I didn't get much. But this is my haul, so I'm gonna end this so I can go to the bathroom and eat dinner because I am hungry. Hey everybody, happy Tuesday night. So back up a couple months back, I tried the Birch blenders regular pancakes, and they're good. As y'all know, I'm low carb keto now. And I just can't eat certain things, but sometimes I want some pancakes. I tried the keto, and that shit was just god-awful, disgusting. I ain't lying. It was just nasty. I don't even know why I still got it sitting in my pantry. I don't think it's nothing that you can do with that to make it taste good. And a lot of ladies agreed. So I got this one today, and I said, because I hate wasting money. You get some and you be like, oh, that's disgusting too. Because Lord knows I done did a lot of that. So all you need is water in the mix. And I just made enough for one pancake, which was 1/4 cup of water with 1/4 cup of mix. So let's see how it tastes. Okay. Now this is good. This is edible. I'm lying to you not. If you go back, look down my probably my intermittent fasting list, and you would really see, like, I literally had to end up throwing it in the garbage. I just couldn't eat anymore. It was just, I was trying to pour I don't really use syrup. I don't use syrup. I was using agave, but people say that was bad. Use honey. So but I was sprinkling agave all over that thing, and it just wasn't doing nothing. So I picked this one up. I love bananas, and this is paleo. Now, it's not sweet, but it has a good taste to it, and you can smell the banana, and it has clean ingredients. So it has cassava starch, almond flour, eggs, banana, organic coconut flour, leavening, a leavening agent, sodium bicarbonate, salt, spices, and monk fruit. That's what it says. So it's pretty clear. You know, I would like to know what the other spices are, but there's no added sugar. Let's see. It is 18 carbs. If you took off the 3 and bring it to 15 net, has 3 total sugar, so it's really low. 6 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat, so it's low on the fat grams. And it says 2 to 3 pancakes. So I only had one. I don't need a whole bunch of pancakes. Let's see what it says. No added sugar, grain-free. That's what you want. 0 trans fat. Dairy-free. Some people can't do dairy. Low glycemic, which means it won't super spike your sugar when you eat it. Your glucose. Good source of fiber. 6 grams of protein. 3 fiber. Is gluten-free, which is good. So yeah, I'm here to say this is a thumbs up on taste. If some of y'all are low carb, you can definitely do this. Some people count net, but this is good on taste, in my opinion. So I'm gonna eat my pancake and chill. And all you need is water. You don't need no eggs. None of that stuff. Is grain-free, gluten-free, no sugar added. This is the Paleo. Low glycemic, again, means that it doesn't give you a large glucose spike when you eat it. And it's dairy-free. And they sell this everywhere. You should be able to find this at Walmart, at Sprouts, Whole Foods got it. I got this one from Whole Foods, but Sprouts have it too. Yeah, you should be able to find this at all grocery stores. The Birch benders. And two, they have regular. They have different flavors. Like I bought my son's the chocolate chip. It was this too chocolate chippy for me, but it's for them. It's the regular one. And then they also have an organic buttermilk that I saw at Whole Foods as well. But I needed to try this one first. So I think I found me a pancake when I want to have a pancake or two. Okay. And I got me some pears. See y'all tomorrow.